Look what we got here. We got the Guillotine. Bobby's new subs. Haven't gotten to hear him yet. But before we check out the subs, we're gonna go back here. Look at that. Holy shit. Hey, don't turn it on yet. I want to hear it. Hey, Cole, what is in here? What is all this?
87100s.
87100s.
And 5 of our 4 channels here. There's a lot more going on in there.
Hey, did I laser cut any of this steel?
I think you did all of it.
Yeah. Ooh, I can say that I did something. You can't even see it in there, but it's in there. Look at that. All right, now let's go see what's in it.
Louder and both doors open.
Well, would you look at that? Alright, hold on a second here, man. Don't be cranking that shit up yet. What the hell is going on back there?
Got 9 Gately Audio Relentless Neo 4s.
The new
Bobby
Neo 4s?
Gately, yes sir. I designed every bit of those and hand built every single one of them.
Man, you guys were putting in work the other day. I know it.
We've been putting work every day. It's been a long one.
So, this thing was already completely killing it. Is it
way
better than it
fucking
was?
louder now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey, do I get to hear it?
Yeah.
I get all these fucking cars mixed up. So, we did something different.
Sucks. And then the loading walls. So
Okay.
we're going to do a little more testing with this. I might even shrink them more. These, just now, we're about to test.
God damn, dude, those are sick as shit. Well, let's hear it.
All right, here we go.
Let me put it to you like this. If I was a customer and I bought this shit and I paid you to do this, I'd be pretty happy. That shit is hammering and those subs are a winner, man.
Thank you, buddy.
God damn, dude. Hell yeah. Gately Audio. This thing is fucking ridiculous, man.
I'll see you later.
Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, it's louder.
Yeah.
Woo! Still under construction.
Colt said it flipped his eyelid back over there. He's like, holy shit.
Yeah.
If I ever need extra volume in my hair,
Oh,
okay?
this one.
That'll do it. Yeah, your hair does look nice, all teased up like that.
Yeah.
You got plenty of volume.
Blowout. There you go. Yeah.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
that was intense.
Just to give you an idea how loud this shit is. This building is shaking. But not only is this building shaking, got Auburn Boulevard right here. Look at this. Don't get it twisted. I was zoomed in. This is Auburn Boulevard right here. Look at that. All the way across the street over there. We had to cut the demo short. What broke? Something broke. The brace? Oh, the brace broke. Alright, back to the drawing board on the brace. It's working good though, keeping that windshield in one piece. Yep, the Gately Audio hairbrush.
You gotta keep these handy around here.
That is so
Yes, sir.
genius. I love this.
I don't know if that's gonna help though. You might need to go get a hairdresser.